How's it going, everybody? Had to take the Suburban out. It's been a while since it went out for a ride, probably 3-4 months. But got everything tuned up, got it running good, got a suspension ironed out. Today, we're gonna go back house after this ride around for a little bit. We're gonna work on the new motor for the BMW. Probably just a light put together. We ain't gonna really torque everything down, just kind of show everybody what the new motor looks like and what parts there are going to be on it and stuff like that. Alright, so here's the motor we're putting in the BMW. Small block Chevy, iron block, aluminum, heads, a whole bunch of other parts. So we're going to go ahead and start doing some assembly to it. Some of it's just going to kind of be loose before we put it together for its final assembly. First thing, we're going to start off with head studs. Make sure that you put the right head studs in the right, because there's 3 different sizes. You got short ones which go across the front, you got medium ones go here, and then long ones on the top. You only got 4 medium ones. And they do go into water jackets. So you need to make sure you use thread sealer on all of them. We'll go ahead, finish all these up, then we'll get back to it. Alright, all the head studs are on. They're all just basically hand tight, because that's how you do these. Make sure you don't put too much thread sealer on, because whatever he squeezes out, you have to take back off. It'll interfere with everything in there. So, there's that. Throw some gaskets on, just because let's see here. Alright, so the heads are Proform heads, not all that high quality, but I'm building this on a budget, so we do what we can do. 64cc combustion chamber, 190cc intake runners, 220 intake valves, and 1.6 exhaust valves. But they're on. We ain't gonna bolt none of that down, because today we're just kind of putting stuff together to see what it looks like. And we've got rocker studs, rocker guides, and 1.5 roller rockers. Electric water pump. done. And this is the alternator bracket. Power steering bracket. I got no clue how this goes together. Just going off the picture. And here's the best part of all. This is the Summit EFI 500. Instructions. Wiring harness and a light and the O2 sensor, and I like this because everything is pre-wired, pre-toned, you where everything got to go. Make a real quick, easy system setup. Gaskets, O2 piece. Here's the control panel for it that you put on your dashboard where you can program, keep it rolling. The computer, that is tiny. Don't have no studs for this yet. Don't like them. But there it is. This is what's going to go in the BMW. I'm going to back it up with a turbo 350 transmission from TCI. Alright, so here it is. Just temporarily put together. Just so y'all see what it is, what I'm working with, what it's gonna be. And if anybody thinks it's a joke that it's going into BMW, they'll see. It is going in that car. The motor's blown. The motor's blown. It's got a hole in the side of the block. So why not go with a Chevy motor? Alright, let's see what happens next. Stay tuned.